What if the way you are building your software is the reason you keep hitting delays? Time to rethink everything you know about development. Let's cut to the chase. You're doing it wrong. Yeah, you, me, and almost every developer out there. Because every time we start a new project, we go for the easiest, safest thing, the login screens, the boilerplate, the same stuff we have built 100 times. That is exactly why so many projects fail, or worst, waste a lot of your precious time. But today, we are going to rethink that, and I am warning you, it's going to make you a bit uncomfortable. You've spent weeks building the usual stuff, login screen, onboarding flows, and all the safe, predictable pieces. Everything looks great until you hit that one feature that you knew was going to be hard. Suddenly, deadlines are slipping, the team is stressed, you are rewriting code because the foundation you thought was rock solid wasn't ready for what is coming. Sounds familiar, right? Here is the thing. We all do it because it feels safe, but let me drop some truth on you. Safety is an illusion. Starting with the easy stuff doesn't make your project more stable. It just delays the pain. The longer the delay, the harder it is. So what is the alternative? Start with what is novel. Start with what scares you. Start with that thing that might fail and do it first. I can already hear some of you screaming, but that is not how we have always done it. We need to finish the basics first. Sure, keep doing it your way, but let me ask you this. How many projects have you worked on where everything went perfectly and the added part magically solved themselves? Think about that for a second. What if instead of delaying the hard stuff, you went straight at it? This isn't just about code. It is about how we work, how we think, and how we waste our most valuable resources, time. Every hour you spent avoiding the hard stuff is an hour you will never get back. Every time you push the unknown to the end, you are gambling with your project. And let me tell you, the house always wins. On one of our projects, we had this feature, a complex recurring plan with scalable transaction. We knew it was going to be hard, but guess what we did? We avoided it. We started with the UI, the onboarding, the stuff we knew how to build. But when we finally tackled the hard parts, everything broke. We spent weeks rewriting and rethinking. So on the next project, we flipped the script. We started with the hardest piece, the one thing we know that could break the project. And guess what? We found the flaws early, fixed them, and built everything else with confidence. So how do you apply this to your next project? Identify the hardest parts. What is the most uncertain, most novel future? Start there. Don't wait. Dive in on day one. Yes, it is uncomfortable, but discomfort is where growth happens. I trade fast, fail early, fail cheap, and then succeed big. And if it doesn't work, great. You found out early and save yourself weeks of wasted effort. That is a win also. So now, I want you to think about your current project. What is the hardest, scariest, most uncertain part you are avoiding? Ask yourself, why? What is stopping you? Fear, habits, or something else? Let's talk about it. Because here is the truth. Playing it safe isn't safe at all. It is a slow road to mediocrity, to wasted time, to missed opportunity. But starting with what is novel, that is how you build something extraordinary. Let's start a revolution. One scary, novel future at a time. If this made you rethink how you build, share it with somebody who needs to hear it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more game-changing insights. Stay bold, stay curious, and happy building. Ire.